Thank you.
Mekasa number 2. I'm saying NDC for Omunyan na Ghana for na metu omo kokatra. Mudi NDC for here. Ma we ya o man e dey say. NDC for we metu bibia, ye Ghana for bi me ye metu bibi. En say bia do mama be bia. Na ye nkamia eboa ye pia no. Na do so so ye danka. Ye danka. NDC for if you are going to NDC for buy. Almost IMF. Na ye nko obi adwuma ye re fi you. I know because the carry you for carry a pastor mo. Na ye re fi you. So take no mama, amamu obebu ye. Na o take akufado amamu obebu ye. Patro de ode ya, that patro kuro ya mo. Na ye tu. So the patro no, or the re free school. No mama be see school be 45%. So when try we are feeding program, feeding a year the more market plan. And no kwa saying do mama mamu obebu ye, that can pete. School for no omo eho ka be the da papa yiwafa. When you Ghana for rest. Ghana for binum, we are NDC for rest. Me pesa me catch Ghana. So na ko for anako for omo te patro. Na omo de sa na omo patro aba omo. Na say ya ye ko to aba. Mu ko to aba na MP for e de bufo ko to aba ma MP for. Afa no ma na edita say na kufa de bede no obu mai no. Na na ye nimo se utu aba no sa na MP a. Kufa di ti mu mai no. O wa de Ghana for mo ko ye. Afekra mai na samu ko ye sa de we se mu ra fi mo ho. Na mo sa akodane akonya we de koma do mama. E ya sa na obeso. Mimi Ghana de se mai me ka che mo se NDC party no sabe any party funsa. But John mama na odi party na nim no. Ye mpe no eti mo mai no. Eti me ka nke ho na radio ni wo no. Yes nya ha de John mama nya obi a ni padodo no no. Ye po no obetie radio wa ha. Ye mpe no me da se.
Right, Mate, me da se so. Tunyane for ye tu chama mu na mafia na nkran for obo mu no. Ye nyo mo anu aduro nti no de mo hwe ye mo benya mo exclusive line na afi mo so ma join the conversation, okay? Yanko, good afternoon.
Yeah, that's all.
Yes sir, when
Agbedefu.
Good, me and your boss.
Say they shouldn't dare us. Over there in the coming weeks, fixing the country movement. Because we will put pressure on the old attorney general. And the new attorney general say, I don't think no matter siama corrupt individuals or more NDC mu. Ah, oma bomb mine. I sell mine. I do mine sika sama ko che atwe. Ah, na mema examples bebre. What you say? Omu gusune na ho. And then Mahama Timenya the effrontery. Ebe catch Ghana for say, or no, God forbid, it will never even happen. Say, or no, to me, be didn't say, or bet you MPP for good. Look at this. Because, yeah. What did them catch on? I say, it's fixing the country movement. Yes, so we are MP. No, I did double salary. Now we are NDC MP. Okay, double salary, all record anymore. We'll make sure we petition Parliament, we petition the court, we petition the Attorney General to make sure. So we are president. No the Airbus Huda. I'm a Husikasama bar. We are going to the Hague. We are going to anywhere. Any embassy, Britain, America, they're fixing the country movement. We'll make sure, say, we hold leadership to accountable. Say, I said, you're there with your baby, you're not the ones number. So, see, I'm fixing the country. Pokwasi interchange. Adentina, Yebabusa question say, Mimia Asifwa kind. $289 million. Yeah, there are 4 interchanges. Oh, Ghana, Abubuatu.
Sure.
Na Aban Biaba, or no quantity $260 million as a circle interchange. We will probe. Say, Adentina, contract to Yadima so sourcing. Now, you Queros Gavayo, one of the company, or the most corrupt company, on a Muhammad circle interchange, mano. You better question that. Then those mean compus now mutona or muye dedeno. Ah Mahama and when you dedeno Kasano, we will hold leadership to accountable in this country.
Okay.
See I better started from somewhere. Because Ghana is here and fix here. There are people who destroyed this country. Omo the Ghana sika etwa to pray. Ye ma omo leadership wo Ghana ha. they were not able to hold leadership and they messed up with the Ghanaian economy. Eti na no yabeka ho asebabu pra. Eti so obi say yeti kroma na obi na si atoabo gas plant. Yebeko into details. Sign opes amount of money sign and the kom. Yeti kroma mama any Equatorial Guinea Ghana gas. Yakosa contract say omo me LNG gas. LNG gas be another form of gas etimi compress it. Almost signed $2.5 billion. Mahama time, $2.5 billion. Akufo-Addo buy or say the same contract. Yes, I can renegotiate here. And my yet so my $1.5 billion. And this is the man who is talking. This is the man who is telling us say or no mum and the effrontery. What you say? At this time round, we are going to set the agenda. So fixing the country movement. Yes, say, yeah, the only swadi want to say, ye nim say Ghana, the entire ye mind way Akufo-Addo bre, our mind no entimin konanim, Akufo-Addo, COVID-19 ye nyansaboa kwa, any nyoma, otubidi ya komano, and peniphobia babe sika in the previous administration, ama omudu mind sika sem atwa de ncheche, your president bia, okoto plane na, Airbus huga, ako PM English abrochimem ama yesi ni nua edi mu bi ama hu sunsanso aba ye bebu sa questions ye be kwa abrochimem ni aka say asem no mu di ye na sunsanso ye pese Ghana authorities no ye put pressure on them say demonstration Ghana ye be na na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo no make sure say John Mahama say jail kra eso ko na what the omani sika de na so ye and what the omani sika na na mo a Airbus alone should take Mahama to jail. Airbus alone should take Mahama to jail. Any country, go to Yugoslavia, country here, what Asia, Nakobusa, Petrobras, a company, Queiroz Gavaio, Cruel, or Mahama don't be circle interchange. You know, Brazilian president was in jail because they. Let me tell you what Queiroz Gavaio did. Mami more example no here. Omoko Diga, ever contracts be in Africa. Okay. Now, Queiroz Gavaio no company no Omoko court, high court in the United Kingdom. You know what they said?
Captain Smart, over free SHS, this is the man who can give the whole Ghana free senior high school. This is the president, the only president in the whole Africa. Obedeka said, go to school free. I'll pay. Jimmy Ford say, Captain Smart, let me see. Jimmy na Jimmy Ogana no esubecha. Take your time, esubecha, because you will be relevant for now because who can draw very soon will be irrelevant. Once they go for starting who draw now who can. After hospital is almost 90% complete, and then you John Dramani Mahama and the complete year will be assigned. Abuso for them yano. And this for mama from who you were, Samusha Sia, Munja in a Captain Smart or a Mamboini. And this is way, Samusha when Muchia Munjai. If you are behind this conspiracy, stop. Because potentially Mutibisabe rule mine PM. Yadibibayamu. John Dramani Mahama, former president, if you are behind this conspiracy, stop, because potentially the NDC fraternity, HBB, Tio Mani Subium, Yadibibayamu.